Welcome, space enthusiasts and fellow cosmic detectives, to this story that has been setting the internet ablaze. For years, humanity has scammed the heavens, dreaming of distant world and visitors from beyond our solar system. Then in 2017, we got our first confirmed interstellar guest, the enigmatic Oumuamua. And now, not long after that, the equally mysterious 3I Atlas comet. These objects were anomalies, travelers from another star system passing through our cosmic neighborhood. They challenged everything we thought we knew about our place in the galaxy. But what if they weren't alone? What if they were just the first scout ships of a larger interstellar family? Well, get ready because a brand new discovery, Comet C slash 2025 V1, is hinting that our cosmic family just got whole lot bigger, and it is sparking a viral mystery that we are going to dive deep into today. So let us start with the star of our show, which is Comet C slash 2025 V1. The name might sound a bit technical, but it tells us a lot. C stands for comet, 2025 indicates the year of discovery, V1 points to its being the first comet discovered in that specific half month. Pretty standard stuff for astronomers. This isn't just any comet, though. Its initial observation immediately caught the attention of professionals and amateur astronomers alike. Why? Because its orbital characteristics are, well, weird. It's not behaving like a typical comet born in our Oort cloud, the icy shell at the very edge of our solar system. Most comets that we follow predictable elliptical path, looping around the sun repeatedly. C 2025 V1's trajectory, however, suggests something far more dramatic. It's moving at speed and on a path that whispers of a origin beyond our sun's gravitational embrace. It is hinting at journey from another star. This is what astronomers call an almost interstellar object. To understand the significance of C 2025 V1, we need to revisit its predecessor. Our first confirmed interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, arrived in 2017. It was unlike anything we had ever seen, a cigar shaped object tumbling through space, showing no cometary trail. Its sheer strangeness sparked debate about everything from alien probes to new class of celestial bodies. Then in 2019 came 3I Atlas. This one was clearly a comet with a distinct tail, but its trajectory confirmed its interstellar origin. Both Oumuamua 3I Atlas shared one crucial characteristic: their hyperbolic orbits. This means they picked up enough speed from another star system to escape its gravity, shot towards our sun, curved around it, and are now hurtling out of the solar system, never to return. The detection of two such objects within a few years was remarkable. It suggested that interstellar visitor might not be as rare as once thought. They are like cosmic messages in bottle carrying clues about other star systems. And now with C 2025 V1, the plot thickens even further. So here is where the viral speculation really kicks in. What makes C 2025 V1 so special that it is being immediately linked to 3I Atlas? And why the internet buzzing about the interstellar family? The initial data for C 2025 V1, particularly its orbital plane and velocity, bears a striking resemblance to that of 3I Atlas. While they weren't discovered at the same time or right next to each other in the sky, their calculated path suggests a potential shared origin, or at the very least, a synchronized journey into our solar system. Imagine two leaves falling from the same branch in a stream. They might drift apart slightly, but their general direction and their characteristics suggest they originated from the same tree. That is exciting hypothesis emerging here that C2025 V1 and 3I Atlas could be siblings, pieces of a larger interstellar object that broke apart long ago, or perhaps even part of a small cluster of objects ejected from same distant star system. The idea of an interstellar family would be monumental. It would move beyond single random visitor to suggest that clusters of material are regularly making their way from other stars into our own. When we say almost interstellar, what exactly that means? It comes down to incredible precisions in tracking. Astronomers use telescopes like Pan-STARRS, Atlas, Zwicky, transient facility to scan the sky. When they spot a moving object, they take multiple observations over days or weeks. These observations allow them to calculate the object's trajectory or orbit. From for objects that are clearly bound to our sun, their eccentricity or a measure of how elliptical the orbits are is less than 1. For those that are truly interstellar, they are like Oumuamua and 3I Atlas, their eccentricity is greater than 1, which is basically a hyperbole orbit. C2025 V1 eccentricity, while still being refined, appears to be very close to or slightly above 1. This means it fits on the cusp. It's either just barely bound to Sun on an incredibly long journey or just barely interstellar. The almost interstellar tag highlights this uncertainty, but also the strong suspicion that it's an escape from another star system. Further analysis will involve spectroscopy, looking at the light reflected by the comet to determine its chemical composition. If it's vastly different from our solar system's comet, that's another indicator of an alien origin. If C2025 V1 is confirmed to be related to 3I Atlas, or even just confirmed as another interstellar visitor, the implications are profound. Firstly, it provides us with the invaluable direct sample, which is, even though it is remote one, if material from other star systems coming here, it's worth studying. We need to studying these objects help us understand the composition of protoplanetary disk around other stars, the building block of the planets elsewhere in our galaxy. It's like getting a delivery from a distant cosmic neighbor. Secondly, it is fundamental changes our understanding of the interstellar transport. If these objects travel in families or clusters, it suggests that the space between stars isn't empty as we once imagined. It might be regularly traversed by ejecta from stellar nurseries or planetary formation events. This could mean that the seed of life, or at least its chemical precursors, across the galaxy is more common than we ever thought, a concept known as panspermia. And finally, it fuels our imagination. Every one of these objects is tiny, silent messenger, telling a story of journey across unimaginable distances. This reminds us that our solar system is not isolated but dynamic participant in the grand cosmic exchange. So what happens now with C2025 V1? The scientific community is in overdrive. More observations are being collected daily to refine its orbit. Every new data points bring us closer to confirming or refuting its interstellar status and its potential link to 3I Atlas. The race is on to gather as much information as possible before it, like its predecessor, fades back into depth of space. The new generation telescopes like Vera C, Rubin Observatory are designed to scan the sky with unprecedented speed and depth. They promise to dramatically increase our chance of detecting these fleeting interstellar guests. We are entering a golden age of transient astronomy where mysterious objects appearing and disappearing in our own sky are no longer just anomalies but crucial data points in our quest to understand the universe. The hunt for interstellar objects and the families they might belong to has just begun. So, is the viral mystery of an interstellar family solved? Not entirely yet, but C 2025 V1 has certainly given us strongest hint yet. It is a thrilling reminder that universe is constantly surprising us, and the biggest discovery often starts with strange signal, a curious orbit, and a dedicated group of scientists looking up. So, friends, what do you think? Is C 2025 V1 a sibling of 3i Atlas? Are we on a verge of discovering a whole family of interstellar visitors? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this cosmic deep dive fascinating, please hit that like button, subscribe for more universe shaking discoveries, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out our next adventure into the unknown. Until next time, keep looking up. Bye for now.